How to fix Apple TV remote volume buttons not working. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to fix Apple TV remote volume buttons not working. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. This is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So what we need to do is to just head over, and as you can see there's an Apple TV remote right here. So the Apple website says to actually reset the remote. So in order to reset the remote, you can just click on this button right here, which is the TV button, and this volume down button simultaneously for 5 seconds. So just do that for 5 seconds and there should be a notification on your Apple TV that says to restart your remote. So just do that and that should be able to fix your issue. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to fix Apple TV remote volume buttons not working. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.